Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? I'm gonna show you how I make my chia pudding with flaxseed and some warm almond milk, and you can put some cinnamon in it, and you can put some nutmeg, but I'm gonna use a little bit of this, the mace. Guys, you can add whatever you want. Sometimes I just make the chia seed all by itself. All right, but I'll show you as I do it. Okay, you know that all of this gonna let you lose weight because flaxseed add lots of fiber, lots of health benefits from this flaxseed. You know, chia seed have lots of omega-3, potassium level twice as what you would get from the banana. This chia seed gonna let you lose weight because it's gonna act as a filler, so you don't have to eat so much, and it gonna lower your cholesterol, lower your blood pressure. This is what I use to help me reduce my cholesterol level with my flaxseed. Overall, it's gonna build you and it's gonna clean you, make you feel full so you don't eat as much. You can make it and you can drink it at the same time. You just want to give it like a 5-minute period, or you can make it and put it in the fridge, but I don't like when it's too clumpy. I like to drink it a little bit. So here I have some warm almond milk. I can't drink regular milk, it doesn't work with my tummy. So if you want to drink use the regular milk, that's fine. So what you want to do, you want to pour the almond milk in the container. Wait guys, I have to get some more because I want to fill it up. I have to get some more almond milk. So we're going to leave it like that. All right. Quick and easy. First, I'm going to put about, you can put about 2 to 4 tablespoons of chia seed. I'm going to put 4. Depending on the amount you're making. So 4, and you want to mix it up. And now I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of my ground flaxseed. That's it. You just want to grind it up with your coffee grinder. I'm putting about 2 teaspoons. You want to use warm water, guys. If you use cold water, it's gonna clump up a little bit, lumpy. If you use warm water and constantly stir it, it becomes smooth easily. The next thing, I'm gonna add just a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon good to lower your blood pressure as well, and lower your sugar level, your blood sugar. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of my mace. You can add nutmeg if you want, just a pinch, less than 1/4 teaspoon, just a little smidge, just like that, because you want to flavor it up a little bit, right? Look at that goodness, guys. Now what I always do, I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes. You can put it for overnight, but I don't like it too thick. I want to drink it down somewhat, and this is the final result. I'm just gonna drink this down now. If you want to leave it longer for it to thick up more, I don't want it like that, and then you can use a spoon, but I want to drink it down. So this is how I like mine. If you want it to be thicker, you can just let it sit for a longer period. But this is really good for me now. I'm just gonna drink this down. Look at that. It smells amazing. All right, guys. And this is it. You can add toppings to it, like some bananas. Like here I have a few pieces of bananas. You can add it with it, or you can add any fruits, blueberries, strawberries, whatever you want. As soon as I make them for my breakfast, I'll just show you what I make. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. This is #1 weight loss. Build your immune system, and also gonna clean you and prepare your body. Cut up a little bit of bananas and I put it in it. So let me just taste it for you. Look at that goodness. Can you see that? It tastes so good, guys, with the mace and the cinnamon. And it's not too sweet, so you can have it either way, guys. Bye, guys.